Hello guys, welcome to web designing course. My name is Wasim and today we are going to start our lecture number 18. Before starting the lecture, I will request to everyone please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos with everyone so that everyone can get this knowledge and make their own websites easily. Now let's start. This is the folder where we are saving our files. Let me show you the index file. So guys, this is our last work that we have our created 5 pages static website with the help of table tag in the HTML. Let me explain for the newcomers who join us today. This is logo, advertisement, menu, this is new sticker area, this is the banner, and we have created this content area with the 2 sidebars, and this one is the footer area, and in the content area we have created one video with the description and the title. Now today what we are going to do, we will make this page more attractive with some changes, and I will tell you that how you can do this on other pages. Now let's start. Let me open the index file in the notepad. If you do not understand anything, you can comment me, I will answer your questions. This is our index.html file, and now what I will do, I will put a border on these advertisement images. This is the advertisement images and these are the links. Here you can put any link, like if you have more than one websites, you can put the links here. You want to route your audience to Google or hotmail.com, you can put those link here, or if this is your educational website, then you can put like me, lecture 1, lecture 2, lecture 3, right? Now what I will do is, first of all, I want to put border. So first of all, I will find that where is my this table where I have to put the border. Now this is my table for ad 1, this is for ad 2, and this is for ad 3. These are ad 1, ad 2 and ad 3 images. Now what I will do is, first of all, I want to put the border. So what I will do, I will write here, I have told you that how you can put the border in the last lectures, and I will put border color gray. It seems to be beautiful color at this website, at this level. Here we can see I put the border here just because the image will be differentiated from others, right? Now I will put this border on all my 3 images. So how I will do this, I will copy this thing, and this is the table for the second ad, and this is the table for the third ad. So I will also put it here, save this thing, refresh my browser. Here you can see, so it seems much better than before, I think, and it depends also on your choice. You want to show the border here or according to your design. If your design requirement is to show the border or like this, you can do this. Now what I will do, I will change some cosmetic changes on this sidebar. How I will do, let me show you. First of all, what I want, this is the heading, so I will change the color for the heading TD. How I will do, let's see. This is my lecture 1, lecture 2, lecture 3 sidebar. So here what I will do, here I have write web design course, right? This is the heading, you can see here, this is the heading. So I want to change the color with red. So in this TD, this is the TD where I have write the heading. So I will write here BG color, because I want background color change. So I will write here BG color. I will write here red, and I will save my work and refresh my browser. Here you can see it's looking so nice. From my point of view, if you want to change, you can do. And for the remaining, I also want to show my some social links or anything. So for that, how I can show those links? In the same way, at the bottom, first of all I will copy this thing from here, because I want to show the heading. So heading pattern, we already have decided how to show the heading pattern. I will copy this thing here, right? This is my 1TD, this is my 1TD, but here should be TR, like this. This is the TR. 9. TR is here. So what I will do, I will write here TR closing tag, and here I will copy this thing just to show you whether it's showing or no. Here you can see it's working perfectly all right. So what I will do is I will write here social links. And I will save my file, refresh my browser. Here you can see it's a new heading. Now what I will do, under this TR, I will copy some TR from here. Like let me copy this thing from here. Let me copy this for, it's a 1 2 3 4, as I want to show 4 social names. So what I will do, I will write here like www.google.com. here I want to show hotmail.com, and in this TD I want to show like anything dot facebook.com, right? In the same way, here I want to write ping.com. I will save this thing, refresh my browser. Here you can see it's looking very nice now from my point of view. I will increase 2 more links like this, and let me show you the results. Here you can see it's looking very nice, very beautiful. Here you have a logo, advertisement area, advertisement banner, menu, and this is new sticker, and this is the banner, and this is sidebar, 2 sidebar. One is for the advertisement given by the Google AdSense images, and this is the sidebar for your links for your social sites. Here you can represent your Google Facebook page, Google Plus page. Like what you have to do, you just have to put the hyperreference here. Let me show you where you will put the hyperreference. Here at this place where I have write the hash, you will write your page link, right? And footer is already. So guys, our home page, index page is absolutely complete now. Now you are able to make the 5 pages beautiful static website with the help of table tag in the HTML. Now what I will do, I will complete the remaining pages. First of all, I will put the footer on all the pages. Let me show you the all pages. Those are without footer. So let me put footer on all the pages. So for this purpose, what I will do is I will open all the pages in the notepad. How you can copy, I'm just telling you that how you can copy correctly everything on all your pages. I have opened the designing page, contact page. Now the remaining is marketing and blog page. The marketing page is open now, and now the blog page is here. Now all the pages are open now. Now what I have to do, simply I have to open my index page in notepad, because let me show you, this is my index page, right? And my index page is complete now, so I will copy the footer for the index page at the bottom. This is my footer. What I will do, I will copy from table starting to table end tag. This is the table for the footer. I will copy all the table, and now I'm going to paste it on all pages bottom. So this is the table for the footer here. What I will do, I will replace this file, replace this table. I will save this thing, refresh my file on the contact. This is designing.html. So on the bottom, I will replace this table with index.html table. So this is my designing. Now this is marketing.html page. So what I will do, I will also copy this thing on designing. Not copy, you can say replace. And the last one is the blog.html page. So what I will do, the same thing with this. I will also copy this thing here, refresh my file, save my file and refresh my browser just to show you whether I have done the right things. Now we are on the index.html. I will click on the marketing page. Here you can see the footer is showing here. This is because when we will remove the border, it will be in equal position. Now this is designing.html. So designing.html is complete, and when we will click on the blog.html, here you can see blog.html. So footer is there on blog.html also. Now this is the contact us page, contact.html. So also in the contact.html, you can see the footer is complete. Now guys, in the next video we will complete this website of the 5 pages. Now this is my index page. I will put these all things on the other pages. How you can copy correctly, I will tell you in the next lecture, and hopefully we are going to complete this website in the next lecture. So you will be able to make 5 pages website very easily, static website with the help of table tag in the HTML. Now guys, if you like my video, please thumbs up my video and subscribe my channel, like my videos with everyone, so that everyone can get this knowledge and make their own websites very easily. This is all for today. Thank you so much for today.